live video.
It's only 45 minutes tonight.
Oh, it is. That's right. That is right. It's turned. How long? When was the last time you were on vacation?
2 years ago. Well, we went a little bit in the fall.
You
Let
did?
me just...
Out there?
No, to South Dakota for 4 days.
It's been 2 years since you've been out there.
Yeah. Okay, this is nice and... How's that now? Alright, well, this is what we're going to get tonight.
It will do.
Luckily, there won't be like 40 people watching.
Yeah. That's crazy. Ooh, well, that'll be nice to get back up there.
Okay, so, lesson number 1. We need to be...
Our hidden location, no Wi-Fi.
No Wi-Fi. So we're doing it with the phone, and then I'm not gonna. I didn't want to. I know that rotates, but there's something with the screw, and I think it has to do with Rick set it up for strictly for the
iPad.
yeah, and not the phone.
Yep. So there's a person on. So thanks for being a little different.
Okay. So
I like it because we look taller.
Yeah, we do look taller, don't we? Sorry guys if you're just joining in. I had to switch to the phone. I've never done that with the phone. I've just been using my tab, and I have everything set up on a tripod. We went on location, and well, what was that blue thing?
I don't know.
What on earth happened?
Unless it was a message from somebody.
No. I don't know.
This is all new to me. This is a learning lesson. Oh, no, there's a message down there.
Your shoes
Oh,
are
I'm
tied.
trying still. See?
Hi guys, now new scenery. Okay, hi Randy.
Yeah, new. 5:58.
Okay.
New scenery, no Wi-Fi. Thankfully, we thought about that early on.
Everything looks weird.
It's your imagination.
I know, it's my imagination. Hello! Alright, everybody.
We're just blind and we look small now.
Okay, it looks like.
The other one where we had a big iPad, we could see. That's just, look, we're in there.
Well, as I said, Rick's got that screw so I can't rotate.
Is he should on his trip,
rotate.
though?
No.
Oh, okay.
No, this isn't. So I can't rotate it. You almost. Alright guys, if you have a mat or weights here. Okay, so here's the deal. Alright, yeah, it was my brilliant idea to go to a new location, and there's only one problem. With my tab, there's no Wi-Fi where we're at, so I had to switch over to the phone. So I've never done this with a phone, and then my tripod is set up just for portrait, because my husband screwed it in so the head thing, and normally it should rotate, but we don't have it that way, so we're just going to have to go with this. But it's 45 minutes tonight, everybody. Time? It's time! Alright! So remember, I'm Sandy, also known as, what am I, Mandy, right? This is Lisa, also known as Melissa. We're M&M coming to you live tonight. Again, sorry for the stuff, the mix-up, but let's march it out. You got it.
It's beautiful here.
It's
and
nice,
it's cool.
but my problem is I didn't realize Wi-Fi till Lisa mentioned it, and we would have been a disaster. So I just switched over to phone, and I'm not a little sure about that. So. We'll make it work though.
We know Randy's there, and we've got messages, so we're
I
good.
think our Lisas are there.
Awesome.
March it all out. Step out right here and pull it in. You got it. So, all the music's on my phone to go with my Bluetooth speaker, and I don't have any on my tab. Not that I have Wi-Fi that it could go to it anyway. So, so we're gonna make do. catch you Tuesdays and Thursdays when we get back to North Liberty, 6 to 7. But right now it's 6 to 6:45. Up. 2, 1. March it out. Alright, take it in. Small rope. Good. Lower impact. We're right here. Higher impact. You're following Lisa. Good. On 3, 2, 1. Take it in guard right here. Bob and weave. Down and up. You got it. Hips tight, butts taut. Now remember, no class again until the 23rd. Okay, class on the 23rd. 3, 2, and uppercut. Up, up, up. Of course, I could have brought class live from the mountains, and that might have been fun. But I wouldn't know where I was going to be at that time. Or if I'd even have connection.
Yeah, I was going to say Wi-Fi.
Uppercuts. Coming up off those heels. You got it. 3 more. 2, 1, and jab. Here we go. Jabs. Throw those jabs. Coming off the heel. Good. Breathing out. Good. Breathe in. You got it. 4 more. 3, 2, hook right here. Hook. 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 You got it. Yes. 4 more. 3, 2, 1. Cross punch. Here we go. Cross. 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 Good. 4, 3, 2, 1. March it. Ha, you got it. Let's go into some low impact, then to high impact jacks. Here we go. Low first. Good. All right. When you're ready. 2, and 1 more. Higher impact. Here we go. Right here's high impact. Low impact. Stay with me. Right here. Lisa with the high. 3, 2, 1. March it out. Coming at you from the park. Take it out right here. Feet. Hip width. We're going to go into squats. Down. 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 Now, as you're squatting, pretend like you're sitting in a chair, pulling up off those heels. Good. Down. Down. Good. Breathing out. 4 more. Really contract through the glutes. 3, 2, and 1. You're going to march right here. Take it into a light jog now. Just a light, wide leg jog. Feet. Yes. Soft landing. 3, 2, 1. All right. So here's what we're doing. Okay. We're going to do a touch and raise for 30 seconds, okay? Then we're going to go to uppercuts, 30 seconds, and then repeat our knees, 30 seconds each side, all right? We're going to run one right into the other. We're going to run through those a couple times. So get ready. On 3, 2, here we go. Touch and raise. You can jump it. Good. Sit back. You can go half like me, or you can go all the way down. Good. Down and up. Up. Down. Up. Now remember, you're sitting back in a chair, coming up. Good. We're going to go right into those jabs. 4, 2, and jab it. Here we go. You got this. Shoulders relaxed. Don't hunch up above your ears. Good. Good. Yes. Breathe in. Get those punches. Now through it again. You can go and sprint these punches. Good. Breathe out. Getting ready. Repeat your knees starting on the right. On 3, 2, 1. Repeat your knees right. Here we go. Go at your pace. So slow. Right here. Good. Breathe in. You can hop a little bit too if you want. 3. Ready. Left side. Here we go. Good. Here we go. Breathe in. You got it. 10 more seconds. You can do it. Good. 4 more. 2, 1. Good work.
Woo. Feeling those.
Breathing out. We're going to run through that one more time.
Oh, lucky duckies.
Woo. Step touch in between. About 5 seconds. Ready for touch and raise. Here we go. Down, up, down, up, down, up, up, up. Breathing out. Up. Again, if you're just joining in, I've had to bring this from my phone, not my normal tab, because we went to a new location and forgot all about that pesky thing called Wi-Fi. Breathing up. Ooh, good. 2 more. And jabs. Here you go. Right here. Good. Now, if you want to make it up a little more, want to bring this intensity up, use the legs. Like that. Or you're right here. Good. Woo! Sprint it out. I'm going to sprint probably for the last right here 10 seconds. Here we go. Sprint it out. Or just walk. Or just this. Whatever works. 4, 3, 2, repeat your knees right. Here we go.
No break for the wicked.
No break. Woo. Right on through, guys. Woo! Now you can take it right here slow. So you can be right here. Try to draw the abs in as you bring that knee up. Good. 4, 2, and left. Here we go. Ah. Good work. Breathe in. Good. Tonight is all about improvising. Where we are. So it's from the side. Now you can be right here. Slow. You got this. 5, 3, 2, and done. All right. Woo. Take it in a step touch. Cool it down a bit. Good. All right.
Drink all my water tonight.
Okay, so let's go into speed skaters. Alternating sides. Ready? Here we go. Speed. And you can hop. Try to add that hop in the middle. Hop. Hop. Take that leg right behind. Hop. Now, you can step it. Good. Right here. Good job, everybody. Keep that form. I think we're getting closer to being back in class, but we'll see. Hoping for some time in July that we'll be back. 3 more, 2 more, and 1. Good. March it out. Good. Now take it right here. You're going to step out with a squat, back to the middle, step to the left with a squat, and back to the middle. Here we go.
Oh, squat.
Squat.
I'm creating my own workout again.
Ha! It's all good. Working some legs while we can. And we're going to go back to some arms. We'll do some fun combos. Good. Breathe in. All right. Good. 3.
And the good news is I got
One
Sandi
more.
listening to country music tonight.
Up. All right, shake it out. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. March it out while I show you. We're gonna go in, put some stuff together. Take it in to a step touch for 4. We're gonna go into a bob and weave. 4 jabs, 4 uppercuts, 4 hooks, 4 hamstring curls.
Is everybody getting this?
4 side knees, 4 front knees, 4 front kicks, and then 4 jacks with a rope in between. We'll run through that 2 or 3 times, depending on what time we're looking like. What I want you to do is try to build the intensity up as we go through it, okay? We'll run through it slow the first. So step touch for 4, ready, here we go. 1, 2, good, I'm not gonna go fast with this one. 4, right into a bob and weave. Alrighty, 4 jabs, here we go. 4, 3, 2, 1, uppercut. 4, 3, 2, 1, hook right here. 4, 3, 2, 1, hamstring curl on 4, 3, 2, 1, side knee with a hop or no hop. 2, 3, 4, just 4 front knees. 4, 3, 2, kick or knee. I'll stay with the knee. And jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, rope. 3, ready, let's go. Here we pick it up more. 4, gonna go a little lower. 3, and 1, bob and weave it. Good, ready, jabs, here we go. 4, 3, 2, 1, uppercut. 4, 3, 2, 1, hook. 4, 3, 2, 1, hamstring. 4, yes. 3, 2, 1, side knee. 4, 3, 2, 1, 4 fronts. 4, 3, 2, kick it. 4, 3, 2, jacks. 4, 3, 2, rope. One more time through, pick it up now. 3, 2, here we go. 4, and I'm hopping. 3, 2, 1, bob and weave it. Jabs, ready. 4, 3, 2, 1, uppercut. 4, 3, you go at your pace. 1, hook. 4, yes. 3, I'm down a little bit low. 2, 1, and hamstring. 4, 3, you got it. 2, hop. 1, side knee. 4, 3, 2, 1, front knee. 4, 3, 2, kick it. I'll stay with knees. 4, 3, 2, and jacks. 4, 3, 2, 1, and rope. 4, 3, 2, and march. Woo! Woo! Take a deep breath up. Blow it all out. Everybody grab a drink. Woo! Grab a drink, you guys. All right, let's grab our light weights. Light weights. Or if you don't have weights, you've got water bottles, right? Or cans, or just your fists. Light weights. Just up right here. Get ready. Let's come on up for a minute here. All right. One more. Come in guard. In guard. Bob and weave with the weights. Good. Breathe out, you guys. Good work. And here we go. Jab. Now, the beauty about bringing this live, right? Can't edit it out for you. No. So it's just going live. But as I said, hopefully we'll be back in class pretty soon. Good. Jabbing out. Breathe in. Good. Good. Jab with the weights, 95% extended. 4, 3, 2, 1. Uppercuts. Up, up, up. Good work. You got it. Are you breathing? Up, up. Good. 4, 3, 2, 1. Cross punch. Here we go. Cross. 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 Good. Cross. Woo! Good. Good. Cross. 4, 3, 2, 1. March it out for a second. Shoulder rolls. Now as you come out, turn your feet out. Toes further turned out to the side. Feet further than your shoulder. Come on down in a squat. Weights are here. I'm going to punch as I squat. Down, up. Good. Knees tracking right above the ankle. Don't lock them. Good. Good. You got it. Good. Good. 4. Good. 3, 2, 1. Take them right here and lateral flies. Good. As you squat. Now, if you don't want to squat, you're right here. Right here. You can have your knees soft right here like this. Good. 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it down. Shoulder rolls. All right, let's put these weights down for a second. Do we have another drink? Do we have another drink? Stretch it out. I forgot. This is only till 6:45. So I gotta judge it right. So I have plenty of times for abs, right, guys? Alright, let's go back to our weights. You know, whatever you have, medium, light, it's fine. Or water bottles or your fist. Alright, so while we're here, let's turn. Let's take our left foot forward, right foot back. You can hinge forward from your hip, or you can be up here. Shoulder retracted back, weights here, and we're going to row it up. Up. Good. Good. Keep the shoulder closed. We've got a lot to do. Up. Up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now take the weight down, turn it right to here, and bring it up and down. Up. Up.
For a little short this time.
Up. Up. 5. Woo! 4, 3, 2, 1. Now take it down, turn it so your palms up, bring it out. And retract back. Okay, now, keep it going. You want to work your rhomboids and your rear delts. Right here, squeezing the shoulder blades. Right here as you lift up. Good. Up. Up. 4, 3, 2. Now we're going to go back to the first one and add that kickback. So you're going to roll it up, elbow and shoulder hinge as you kick back and down. Up. Back. Good. Up. Back. You got it, guys. Good work. Good. Up. Good job. Good work, you guys. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now I take the weight down, turn it. We're going to push it and pull it. Push it back, pull it in. Push, pull. You can bring that back leg in no further than your knee right here. Elbow soft. 4, 3, 2, on 1. Stay up here and pulse. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring it up. Shake it out. All right, let's flip it around. Yes, right foot forward now. Left foot back.
She's on vacation already, people.
All right, hinge forward from your hip. Stay up here. Shoulder retracted back. Weights here and row. Up. Up. No, it was like work earlier in the week was like really slow. And then all of a sudden exploded yesterday afternoon. Today was just non-stop.
Oh, just what you needed.
I was busy from the time I sat down to the time I left.
Oh.
Up.
Of course.
Up.
You said your boss is gone right now, too?
No.
Oh.
He's the only one to run it.
Well, I thought you said he was going to launch, too.
Well, no, there's only him and I. 3,
Okay.
2, 1. Now take it right here, turn it, and lift it up and down. All right. So I take it and I bring it to the back right here. Now, if that's too much, right, you don't have to be in that split. You can be right here. Soft knee, like that. Fingers all different ways. 3, 2, 1. Take it down. Turn that palm up. Now, pull it back. Good. Woo! Up. 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 Good. Up. 5, 4, 3, 2. Now we're going to go back to that first one and add the kickback. Ready? Here we go. Up, back, in, down. You got it. Woo! And I apologize for all the technical difficulties. I won't be making that mistake again. Up, elbow, shoulder or a hinge, guys. Don't swing the weights. Place it. 5, 4 more. 3 more. 2 more. Good. And 1. Take it down. Now push and pull. So I'm going to push it away, pull it into my knee. Push, pull. 95% extended. Don't lock that elbow. Good. Push and pull. Push, pull. 5, 4, 3, 2, on 1. Stay here. Pulse. Pulse. 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Take it down. Shake it out, stretch those arms. You're gonna grab your mat now.
Should I go to a certain location or anything?
No, I don't know. It's not like I'm out here at this time of night.
I didn't know if you knew of like a...
Do you think they can see us? I don't think I can adjust that. Can you get down?
Only thing is you can move it back so we're...
Oh yeah. I'm gonna move it back. Right there. Is that good?
Yep.
All right, you guys. There's only one person live. All right. Okay, so we're gonna come on down to the mat. Have your weights. Come on down. Grab those weights.
It's a pretty view. Oh, except there's a wasp nest up there.
Alright. Okay, your lower back's pinned, alright? Take your weights up above, right here to your chest. Turn them now. 2 count out, 2 count in. Ready? Out on 2. Out on 2. In on 2. Out on 2. In on 2. Out on 2. In on 2. Out on 2. Good job, everybody. Lower back pin. Feet are flat. Out on 2. Good. Out. Good. Good. 4 more. 3 more. 2. 1, right here. Take your weights down to your chest right here. I'm going to push them up on a 2 count up, and I'm going to bring them back down on 2. Brushing those arms right by your side. Here we go. Up on 2. Down on 2. Up on 2. Down on 2. Up on 2. Now keep those arms right by my side right here. Good. Up on 2. Down on 2. Up on 2, down on 2. Up on 2, down on 2. Up on 2, down on 2. Good job. Up on 2, down. 4 more. Good. 3 more. Good. 2 more. Good. 1 more. Good. Now take your weights up, right above your chest here, down to a V, and we're going to lift it out and back, out and out. Good. Out, out, out. Good job. You got it. Good work. 4. 3, 2, 1. Now do one more thing. You're going to take your weights, square them off right here, and pulse, 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 pulse. Good. Good. 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, great job, everybody. Now take those weights down. You're going to stretch out. Stretch those arms out. Stretch them out. Alrighty, stretch it out. Alright, so now we're going to get ready for our favorite part, which is abs. Okay, so you need to have a weight nearby because we're going to use it. Or no weight, that's up to you. You're going to take your hands back. Spiderweb. Hands behind your head, elbows out. Now you're going to breathe out as you lift. You come up, contract the abs, and back down. Okay? So we are getting ready, and we got abs. Woohoo! All right, we're gonna start with a 2 count up, 2 count down. Looks like this. Here we go. Up on 2, down on 2. Up on 2, down on 2. You're breathing out. Chin's going up. To you, it's the ceiling. If you're inside, if you're outside, to me, it's the sky. That whole plane of the sky or the ceiling. Don't let the chin fall to the chest. Hands are light here just to support the neck. Remember, elbows are out. Don't let them creep in. And as I lift, I'm contracting. I'm pulling the abs right here. I'm pulling them down to the floor. Okay? Up on 2, down on 2. Up on 2, down on 2. Yes. Good. 4 more. 3 more. 2 more doubles, right? 1 more. Singles. Here we go. Up. Up. Warming up. You're going to warm up. Up. Good. Up. 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 Breathing out. Up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now I want you to take your knees up as you lift your shoulders. Here we go. Up and down. Do not plop these feet down on the floor. You place them. Good. So you're not doing this. Okay. We're taking it up and gently putting them down. Good. You got it. Up and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alternate elbow to knee. Left elbow, right knee. Right elbow, left knee. Switching. Good. Breathing out. Good. You got this. Good job.